What up, YouTube, man? We are back with another vlog. We are chilling right now in downtown West Palm Beach, Florida at Supercar Week. What up, YouTube, man? We are back with another vlog. We are chilling right now in downtown West Palm Beach, Florida at Supercar Week, man. Now listen, I don't got a supercar, not yet. I just rather have, you know, a whole bunch of JDM piece of shits and European piece of shits, but we are here anyways. You know, anyone could come, but the reason it's called Supercar Week is because you're gonna see in this video some crazy ass cars that we can only dream of having. Like shit that like is crazy. So we're doing that. Wes is here, we got the Clean Culture gang here. I have 5 cars and I ended up driving the X5 because the boost shit, which is unfortunate. That's the problem of having so many cars, you don't know which one to drop. But where we at? Where we at with it? West Palm, let's go vlog. We got some booths, we got some merch, we're gonna set up the booth. The intro's dragging ass too long, so see y'all when we get in. I was good, sexies. Yo, by the way, hoodie out, only a few left, iced out. Where we at? I'm gonna show you with the back. I don't even have it. Get my back, no homo. Actually, here, stand up. Let's see. Tap in. That new John right there. But we outside, we got the booth set up, Clean Culture Apparel. Go to the website, get that drip, man. Get that drip. That drippy. What happened?
Nick, hold up, we dripping over here too.
What?
What? We dripping right there. What you mean?
Got Trina's whip. We got Matt's Z, super clean, and one of my favorite wheels though. What y'all think about them? Oh my god, I love Meisters. Matt's is tough. We got another Z, Jason's. That shit is tough. 3 clean Z's, man. Z gang. As you can see, there's so much other shit we're gonna get into. So, Ivan's now. My Ivan's fit me tight. That shit tighter than my butthole. Look at that shit. That shit is never loose. God. He said fuck the fenders, but Ivan's shit goes crazy. It's just the rookie right here. It's the new boy. Needed some muscle, you know what I mean? Gotta have a little bit of everything, you know? We got a Honda here, Mustang here. Little Cool Grays. The Devoted John, heard you, okay. Brandon going crazy. His whip right here, the A-Spec. Here's the gas. Bitch on the floor. Nope, not happening. That bitch low. Brian Ramirez pulled up. Brian Ramirez. Jimmy. Rico just got his shit bagged. Lip on, the tees is on. Something like, he was up to what? How long was you up last night?
2 o'clock in the morning.
2 in the morning?
I ain't go to bed till 4, up at 6.
2 hours of sleep, but you gotta do what you gotta do. That boy on air now. He's looking good. Little space for the rear, what up? Trying to hit that fender lip or you trying to tuck?
I'm gonna tuck for now.
See, I'm not mad at it.
End game is fender lip, but I
that's
don't
what I'm saying. The E92 was like, I already painted this shit 3 times, so it's like, that's why I tuck on that one. She got a turbo on this shit or no? Yeah? This shit boosted.
Big turbo.
Big ass turbo on this shit, bags.
Here, you can see it right here.
See, little big ass John. Shout out Shaq. Shit's tough, so.
Take a dip.
How much? I'll give you 1,000 right now.
How?
Run it up.
Double it up.
Shaggy. Oh, there he is, Key. My creator. My dad pulled up. All right, we're gonna go do a lap. And then get into some food, cause your boy hungry. I need an old school car bad. Man, look how. Oh, yeah, they might. Shit is so mint.
But it wasn't ours.
Jeez. 400, 4-barrel.
They get a turbo on it?
The old Johns out here with their whip fire. How do you feel about these? I don't know. I like these low key. Some air, some camber, but they're just slower than fucking molasses. That's the only problem. But I guess if you do something to it, this shit fire. Old school Brady Bunch Jones.
Stuff.
That boy fell asleep. Getting that suntan. That's pretty sick. Something with a little history, you know? I do like these a lot. Like red guts. Shit's fire. Of these too. This might be my favorite year vet in white. CO6. One day we'll drift one of those Jones. Apocalypse. That shit's sick. 6x6. That's crazy. Sheesh. Shit, straight out of The Walking Dead. That shit crazy. These all 6x6s?
You selling anything? I'm talking to customers.
Fire. So float Jeeps. It's good.
Yes, sir.
Fuck with it. Yo, check this shit out. 6x6 TRX. Like what? You shitting me? We're not doing that, right? We're not doing that. You dead ass? Nah, this guy's different. A little Back to the Future joint. That's fire. Alright, so now we stepping into the exotics and the big money shit. Now let's all get our panties wet and dream. So calm, you know? Jeez. This shit is big gas. Pro-Am car. Nah, this shit's tough. Sheesh. Red Hot Chili Peppers. Look at fuck. How you take Lamborghini and do this to it? Alright, let's go in there. Sir, very good. God, I love McLarens. I love R8s. I don't know, which one you taking? Thumbnail maybe? Sheesh. R8, I want one so bad, twin turbo, that I can't even describe.
We see you.
God.
We see you.
That shit look fire too. Matt Black, I don't know if you like Aston Martins, but that shit jumping. Okay, the GT, oh my God. Are you dead ass? Man, put the horsepower on there. He said 750, y'all better know. Look at this. Oh, this is shout out Roberto. Datsun with an RB in it. Oh, look at the Little John, little Stuart Little shit. Nah, the picture has me weak. I'm weak.
Yeah.
Mom's car. Sick. Bigger than your sister's lips. Datsun, old school shit. That thing, whatever that is.
We have a 2006 Highlander.
Camaro, Mustang, the old Bronco. Jeez. That's fire. Please, give me. Look at this. Fire. Irons everywhere. God. McLaren. Oh my God. Fuck. Shelby. Oh my God, look at this Ferrari. World's fastest street car. Shout out to Roberto for tuning that thing. Ford GT. Crazy. Shit went 310 miles an hour. What the hell is this? It's fire though. God, I love these. Don't these come with like a big motor, like a V8? God, I want one so bad. What is that? This is nuts. That is crazy. Funny, like all these cars with all these expensive ass cars and shit, you can just see like the people at the crowds. You can just tell like these dudes have money. Hair to the side, big white guys, jacked, tight pants, like wearing clothes that don't look expensive is probably expensive. It's so good. That don't fit in. But we outside with it. Big snails on everything, you heard? Alright, let's go to the drift area because, you know, your boy is in that. So, you know what I mean? I hadn't even drifted yet. Got the car for a month. We're gonna get it popping though, so stay tuned to the channel and definitely show that love. But these are some real drifters, you know? I like that a lot. That shit's fire. Motherfucker, you're everywhere. Everywhere. This guy's everywhere. What's good, kid? What up? Just vlogging. That shit's gas, super gas. This shit been through some shit, huh? Battle scars, love it. That's fire, that's a grab. Yeah, that's a clean drift car. Like, that's how I feel. Like if I mess up my bumper, like I'm gonna just fix it. I know it's a drift car and it's a missile, but I don't know. I still need to have it looking like something. So if you don't know, we just dropped our 2023 schedule. You can see the tour on our website or on the Instagram. We're gonna be in 30 states this year, so most likely we will be near you. So you better pop out and come see me, say what's good. We also just announced we're doing a 50K drift comp series with Catch My Drift. 50,000 series, 5 events, 10K per event. Real competitions. We'll have fun runs too, but you know, we're gonna really get into that drift market too. So I got some big announcements too coming up with some collaborations, not just Adam LZ, but some other huge influencers. You gotta stay posted to that. Man, we got so many big things going on for 2023. It is so sick, and we appreciate all of you guys. So I'm gonna wrap this video up, man. It's been a short one. I love y'all. Subscribe and see ya in the next one.